Welcome! If you're having trouble with Discord, not asking for microphone permissions, or you want to make sure you're always in control of when Discord can use your mic, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable Ask Every Time for microphone permissions on Discord using your phone's settings. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the main settings app. This is where you can control all the permissions for your apps, including Discord. Next, scroll down and look for the section called Apps, or sometimes App Management. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now scroll through your apps until you find Discord. Once you see it, tap on the Discord app icon to open its specific settings. Inside the Discord app settings, look for the option labeled Permissions. Tap on this and you'll see a list of all the permissions Discord can request, like camera, contacts, and of course microphone. Find Microphone in the list and tap on it. Here, you'll see several options for how Discord can use your microphone. To make sure you're always asked before Discord can access your mic, select Ask Every Time. This way, whenever Discord needs to use your microphone, you'll get a prompt asking for your permission first. That's it. Now, whenever you join a voice chat or make a call on Discord, your phone will ask if you want to allow microphone access. This gives you more privacy and control, so you can decide when and how Discord uses your mic. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow these steps again and pick a different option, like Allow only while using the app or Don't allow. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tech tips and stay tuned for more easy solutions to your digital questions.